Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Okay, once more, class 8, good evening. I'm going to take you through water, and water is one of the major components of the environment, and water takes the largest percent of the earth's surface, but very rarely does water exist in its pure state. Remember that water I'm going to take you now through what we call soft water and hard water. I'm going to take you through soft water and hard water and I'll give the difference the two and how to investigate the two. Soft water is water that lathers easily with soap. Soft water lathers easily with soap. And this one I want you to try. I'll give you the examples of water to try. We can also define soft water as soft water contains no dissolved minerals, mineral salts. Now I want to tell you what makes the water hard. Have you washed clothes and you realize that there is water that lathers easily with soap, and there is another one you use too much soap and still you realize that it has not formed foam? Such water that forms foam very easily is said to be soft water. The one that does not form lather easily is said to be hard water. Good example of soft water is you can try this. One is boiled water. Number two, you can try rain water. This water, if you put soap, it forms foam very fast. Try this. But on the other hand, we have the hard water. Hard water contains much dissolved salts, and therefore those are the salts that react with soap, and they prevent it from forming lather. So hard water contains large amounts of dissolved minerals, e.g. sea or ocean water. It is even salty. Those minerals make that water hard. If you attempt to wash clothes using seawater, that water cannot form lather easily. Number two, we have the lakes also. We also have wells. We have the boreholes. All these sources of water contains hard water, but rarely does water exist in soft form. We say rainwater is the soft water, although it may contain some dissolved gases and dust. But those ones do not have great impact on soap. Now, what are the effects of hard water? Effects of hard water. Or what is the problem in hard water? This one I want you to try washing clothes using water from any of these sources. Number one, you realize that you waste a lot of soap. It wastes a lot of soap and also energy. Soap and energy. You find yourself squeezing the clothes much. Number 2, it also stains white garments. You happen to wash clothes using this water. The moment that clothes is getting out of water, it gets some stains. Now here, before I proceed with this, I want to give some guidelines of what really happens. In case I have a basin here, and I happen to put hard water, then I add soap. This is soap. I have added soap. This is soap. This is hard water. What happens is that the soap and the minerals in this water react. Then they form a substance that floats here. This substance is mostly brown in color. So if you have your trouser here that you are washing, the moment it will be getting out of this water, what will happen? It gets this substance. This substance is known as scum. This substance is known as scum. The other thing, if you happen to have another sufuria here, then you put hard water and heat for quite some time. This is heat. And this is hard water. Hard water. What happens is that after all the water has boiled, you realize that there will be a compound that is brownish also, that will remain here. Remember that when water evaporates, the mineral salts do not evaporate. Therefore, they decompose and react, and then they form here. You realize that there is a brown substance that is formed after boiling hard water. That substance is known as scale. It's known as scale or fur. Scale or fur. Scale or fur. Therefore, there are two compounds you can get from hard water. One is scum, floats because of soap. The other one is scale, formed from heating or boiling hard water. And that's why I've said the scum stains white garment. This is scum, the one that floats. Soap. The other one is reduces efficiency of machines. I want to explain this. If you happen to have an electric kettle that is used to boil hard water, this is the electric kettle. If you happen to have such, then you put hard water. With time, the first year you have that amount of scale. Second year, this. So what is happening? The heating process is delayed. You are reducing the efficiency. If this water is also to pass through pipes, they also get that substance and get blocked. So we say it clogs. Scale, clogs or blocks. Clogs, hot water pipes. But remember, as much as we say hard water has several disadvantages, it has one main advantage. It is the best for drinking because these minerals, some of them are calcium, magnesium, and they form our bones. So NB, hard water is best for drinking. Last point, if you want to treat, to eliminate these minerals in water, the process of eliminating the minerals in water is known as softening. So what is to soften water? Softening water is the removal of mineral salts, mineral salts in water. We have two methods of doing that. We can use chemicals, use of chemicals. There are chemicals we put in water to eliminate the minerals. Number two, you can do boiling. And boil then correct the steam. That process of boiling is known as distillation. Boiling only eliminates temporary hardness, while chemicals eliminate permanent hardness. Have a good day as you go through the notes.